Let us have a look at question number 70 of the paper. This is also a paragraph completion question, so you have to just find out the line that best concludes the paragraph, completes the paragraph. So the paragraph here says that no one can say where the bones of Machiavelli rest, but modern Florence has decreed him a stately cenotaph in Santa Croce by the side of her most famous sons, recognizing that whatever other nations may have found in his works, Italy found in them the idea of her unity and germs of her renaissance among the nations of Europe. It may be pointed out that the harsh construction of his doctrine, which this sinister reputation implies, was unknown to his own day, and that the researchers of recent times have enabled us to interpret him more reasonably. So basically, this whole paragraph concentrates on the idea that while his own contemporaries did not believe him necessarily to be evil, uh, they they still thought that Machiavelli has this unholy visit persona, which is described in this line. But however, modern analysis gives him a credit for his practical philosophy, which is stated in this line. So if we look at option D, it very well completes this paragraph because it contains all the information, so it's a very good option. It is largely due to modern day analysis of the man and his overarching pragmatic philosophy that the shape of an unholy necromancer, which so long haunted men's vision, has begun to fade. So it's containing all the points that we have read in this paragraph. Therefore, option D has to be the answer. It simply further elaborates how the researchers of recent times have enabled us to interpret Machiavelli more reasonably. So yes, our answer is option D. Let us see what is the problem with the other three options. There is one thing common in all these three options that we have, that all these three options talk about Machiavelli's skill as a writer, and therefore they just do not follow logically as per the given paragraph. Here also we are talking about his writing, refused to write either of men or governments, and otherwise then he has found them. The Prince Machiavelli's magnum opus presents problems that are still debatable and interesting because they are eternal problems between the roots. So again, it is all about his writing that we are reading here. Machiavelli was undoubtedly a man of great observation, acuteness, and industry, noting with appreciative eye whatever passed before him. So it's all about his writing skills that we are talking in these three options. So this definitely does not follow from what we just read in this particular paragraph here. So our answer will be option D.